So, YouTube, you post a video, what do you do? So unfortunately, nothing is guaranteed as far as getting views on your video, but these are things that I've heard affect the YouTube algorithm, and we all know that that changes daily, weekly, monthly. I'm not sure why. Before I post a video, I usually go through 8 things on a checklist, and we're going to go over those for this video. So for the first thing that I do, I make sure to save the video in a descriptive way. So for my Stream Raiders video, I actually saved it as Stream Raiders Beginners How To, and instead of putting spaces in it, I actually use underscore. When it's finally time to upload it to YouTube, those underscores actually become spaces automatically in the title. So number 2, I actually create a custom thumbnail each time that I upload a video. So I read something recently that I thought was a really good idea. Basically it said, go to Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and take a look at all the thumbnails that they design on there. A lot of people have spent a lot of time designing that, and it's meant to catch your eye. So whatever they're doing, you may want to try copying that. Number 3, do a quick search on YouTube of something that's related to your video and see what's done well in the past. Make sure to note their thumbnail, their title, their description. Things like that have done well in the past may help your video do well in the future. Number 4, title with 50 to 70 characters. I usually do a main point of the video and then some kind of supporting point, followed up by a final point in parentheses. So if you like this video so far, this is kind of the content that I'm going for on YouTube. I release a video once a week on Monday mornings, so if it's something that you like, go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button right here on the bottom right corner. Number 5, let's talk about that description. You want to develop a description where the first 2 sentences are focused on catching attention, because that's what users see in the preview. Add as much description as you can without giving away the whole video. At the end, I usually add info about my channel as well as my socials. I'll make sure to include my current streaming schedule as well as my Twitter, my Discord, and my Twitch channel. Finally, to end your description, you want to add in related hashtags and make sure that the first 3 are the most related hashtags to your video, because those actually show up above your title. Number 6, view the tags in those videos that are related to your video that are also successful. Remember, you have 500 characters to fill out in all of these tags, so you have a lot of options that you could put in. And these tags not only help YouTube understand what your video is about, but it'll also help for the users that are searching for that content that you put in the tags. There are some sites out there that'll actually help you generate some tags, so you can put in some sort of keyword and it'll generate a list of common related words that you can put in as your tags. Number 7, fill out the information for your video. Make sure that you fill out the recording date, the license, the category, as well as the caption certification. Alright, we're finally to the end of the list. Number 8, that is adding end screens and cards to your video. Now usually what I do for an end screen, I add 15 seconds at the end that has some sort of template laid out to where I can copy the template over each video and import the settings from the previous video. So YouTube kind of takes care of the hard work on this one, because you can put your subscribe button in the middle, your latest upload on one side, and then on the other side, YouTube will actually generate a video that is the best match for that user that's currently watching your video. So that's it. That is actually my personal YouTube checklist that I do before every video. Like I said, this is my own personal opinion. These are just items that I have picked up over time, whether reading articles or finding threads online that just kind of give some pointers, but I feel like that this is a very solid list to at least get started with. So these are videos that I've been making lately that I've really enjoyed, and if this is something that you like, I come out with videos once a week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button on the bottom right of your screen, and then hit that bell so that you get notifications each time a video uploads. So once again, I'm Warwick STL, and that was my top 8 list for YouTube videos. Go ahead and let me know what your favorite was down in the comments section, and we'll see you next time.